All right, folks, listen up. Did you know that most of us are breathing all wrong? Yup. Shallow chest breathing is a common culprit behind stress, fatigue, and even sinus problems. But don't worry, I've got you covered. First things first, understand that nasal breathing is key. Always breathe in and out through your nose. It warms, filters, and humidifies the air, reducing irritation and sinus issues. Next up, diaphragmatic breathing or belly breathing. Your diaphragm, not your chest, should be doing most of the work. This allows for full oxygen exchange, reduces stress, and supports lung function. Let's talk rhythm. A slow, controlled breathing rate is essential for maintaining balance in the nervous system. Now, onto the techniques. First, diaphragmatic breathing. Find a comfy spot, sit or lie down. Place one hand on your chest, the other on your belly. Inhale deeply through your nose for 4 seconds. Let your belly rise while keeping your chest still. Hold for 2 seconds. Exhale slowly for 6 seconds. Feel your belly deflate. Do this for 5 to 10 minutes daily. Next, box breathing. Inhale through your nose for 4 seconds. Hold for 4 seconds. Exhale slowly for 4 seconds. Hold again for 4 seconds. Repeat for a few minutes, especially when stressed. Then we have alternate nostril breathing. Close your right nostril. Inhale deeply through the left. Close your left nostril, exhale through the right. Inhale through the right, close it, exhale through the left. Do this for 5 to 10 minutes to clear your sinuses and calm your mind. Finally, 4-7-8, breathing for sleep and anxiety relief. Inhale through your nose for 4 seconds. Hold for 7 seconds. Exhale slowly through your mouth for 8 seconds, making a whoosh sound. Repeat 4 to 5 times before bed. So there you have it. Proper breathing can boost your health, reduce stress, enhance lung capacity, and even improve sleep. Start practicing today and unlock better health with every breath.